Tunin Una Welfare UK members Hongi Sukhom Theiteng January 28, 2024 in here Parliament Square, London, UK Hongi Sukhomwa in solidarity, and also in Lamte Kong Hok Loau Kong Thuak Pi Loau Kole Ka Thuak Loau Si Esang na di thak Pai Khomwa Ezona Kendri Lit Vigil Imi Isate Hong Na Tai Sante Hong Mang Hil Lo Ka Hiu Chi Na In Kong Pai Khomwa cái gen út bền chú hỉ lấy một đây nè, cái hết nghìn lẩu tiêu, cái hết dính tiêu cái lùng thua mà, khói à leng lẽ, ấy thả đà nú, musit tắc lẽ, hiện zoom lâu à, ấy thả đà nú cái hết nghìn lẩu tiêu, vai phê này gì càng thắt hi lâu, càng tê này gì lẽ lâu, bảy tê này gì lẽ hi lâu, ấy hồ hi nắm neo, akuma ấy musit gì qua hi ấy thảo ấy thì hay bùi tên nún toa hi ipum dâu tàu á masbari le hoi taki ne dâu tàu á toa hi hạ pan xem hạ pan zok xem đi way. We need to get justice for them. When we fight for justice for them, we don't fight for justice because they're gangte or par or paite. We fight for justice because the reality is in Manipur we're only 16%. So let's not forget that. We're not forgetting it, and we will keep shouting, screaming for justice wherever we are. We will shout here. If you're somewhere else, you shout. We will not rest until we get justice for the way they have killed us, for the way they have raped us, tortured us. So never ever forget how we are treated. Let this be the last time we're suffering like this. Let's take this as an opportunity, because it's generations. In a way, this is we won't get another chance like this, because 3 generations have come together here. So please, let's not forget that we are really strong, that God is on our side, and because of Him we're still alive now. Because of Him we're still able to guard whatever land we have. So this is our really honest request from the bottom of our heart from UK. Please continue to do what we do, and don't forget how they have tortured us, how they have killed us, and we don't stop. Thank you.
Oh, greeting from London. This is Unao community in London. We just want to inform you that we stand united with you, and we understand the pain and the agony that you are all going through, and we just like to remind you that we will remain united with you, and we will continue to pray for you guys. And this is my humble request to all the Kuki community to remain united. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Kuki tribals from Manipur, India. Stay strong. Sending our love, prayers and support from London, UK.
Manipur Unao Zomi Kuki community there. London Unao UK welfare. Then Hong Kong ki ka hiu ji kom gen muta. Thusei lowa. Ipathian wang ko ma kalswan to sel ding in chin ko le huna thum pi gi ge na po gi ka hiu chi kon ge du ki pa ke.